In today's video, we're going to explore the top 6 foods that can help you tap into your hormones for optimal fat burning. These aren't just any random foods, they are nutritional powerhouses capable of kickstarting your body's natural fat burning processes by maintaining hormonal equilibrium. We'll provide each food with robust scientific backing, explaining how they impact your hormones and their crucial role in weight loss. By adding these foods to your daily intake, you could witness a substantial decrease in body fat without having to rely on grueling workout regimes. We'll also discover how a certain compound can help balance hormones and could also help prevent cancer. And stick with us until the end, as I'm going to show you how, according to studies, a certain compound has been found to switch on hormonal fat burning. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get all the latest on hormonal weight loss. So let's dive right in with avocados. These are a nutritional dynamo, particularly when it comes to shedding pounds. The magic is in their high concentration of monounsaturated fats, which uniquely enhance leptin sensitivity. For those unfamiliar with leptin, it's a hormone that crucially governs appetite and body fat. Here's the mechanism. Monounsaturated fats work to diminish inflammation within the body. This is significant because inflammation often triggers leptin resistance, a condition where your body fails to effectively heed the hormone cues to cease eating or burn fat. However, by consuming foods abundant in monounsaturated fats like avocados, one can decrease inflammation and bolster the body's response to leptin. Leptin interacts with your brain regarding the energy stored in your fat cells. When these reserves are full, leptin levels ascend and alert your brain to halt eating. Conversely, when these reserves are exhausted, leptin levels descend and signal your brain that it's time for another meal. By controlling appetite in this manner, leptin plays an indispensable role in maintaining a healthy weight. But there's more. Avocados also house other advantageous compounds that facilitate hormonal weight loss. They're loaded with fiber, which aids digestion and helps manage hunger pangs by keeping you satiated for extended periods. Moreover, they contain antioxidants like vitamin E and C that help fight oxidative stress, another element that can instigate inflammation and disrupt normal hormonal function. Add them to your diets by using avocado in salads, in sandwiches instead of mayonnaise or butter, and in smoothies for an extra nutritional punch. Another food rich in beneficial fats is fatty fish like salmon. These can play a role in hormonal weight loss. Now you might be wondering how fish can help you lose weight. The answer lies in a hormone called insulin, and a nutrient found in these fish called omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that our bodies can't produce on their own. We need to get them from our diet. These fats are crucial for many bodily functions, including brain health and inflammation control. But one of the most important roles they play is in regulating insulin. Insulin is a hormone that helps control your blood sugar levels by moving glucose from your bloodstream into your cells where it's used for energy. But insulin also plays a significant role in fat storage. When your body has too much glucose, insulin signals your cells to store it as fat. Now, here's where omega-3s come into play. They interact with cell membranes throughout the body and improve their function. This improved function allows for better communication between cells and hormones like insulin. When cells are more responsive to insulin, they can take up glucose more efficiently from the bloodstream, leading to increased insulin sensitivity. You might be surprised to learn when you have low insulin sensitivity or insulin resistance, your cells struggle to take up glucose from the blood. This leads to higher levels of both glucose and insulin in your blood, which promotes fat storage and inhibits fat burning. But by improving insulin sensitivity with omega-3s from fatty fish like salmon, you're helping your body store less fat and burn more energy instead, aiding in weight loss. Apart from omega-3s, fatty fish also contain high-quality protein, which helps you feel full longer and increases metabolic rate during digestion. They're also rich in vitamin D, which works with calcium to suppress appetite. So don't hesitate to add some fatty fish to your weekly meal plan. Diving into the intricacies of weight loss, we encounter a pivotal hormone, estrogen. The relationship between estrogen and weight loss is all about equilibrium. Balanced estrogen levels contribute to maintaining a healthy weight by controlling metabolic functions such as fat storage and sugar cravings. However, an imbalance can trigger weight gain. Enter broccoli, a cruciferous vegetable renowned for its multitude of health benefits. It contains a compound known as indole-3 carbonyl, or I3C, which significantly contributes to the balancing of estrogen levels. The mechanism behind this involves I3C promoting the conversion of estrogen into its beneficial or good metabolite, known as 2-hydroxyestrone. This metabolite not only possesses anti-carcinogenic properties, but also aids in maintaining hormonal balance. Shifting focus to menopause, it's observed that during this stage in women's lives, estrogen levels plummet drastically. This decline prompts the body to store more fat as an alternative source of estrogen, since fat cells can generate this hormone. Furthermore, low estrogen levels decelerate metabolism and increase insulin resistance, leading to weight gain. Research indicates that I3C can alter how the body processes estrogen in a manner that could potentially lower the risk of certain cancers like breast cancer. Therefore, consuming foods rich in I3C, like broccoli, might be a natural method to decrease cancer risk and manage weight. However, broccoli has another ace up its sleeve, sulforaphane. This compound assists in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, which are associated with obesity. It also enhances gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria, which play a crucial role in weight management. Incorporating broccoli into your diet is relatively straightforward due to its versatility. It can be added to salads or stir-fries for a crunchy texture, or blended into smoothies for an extra nutrient boost without significantly altering the taste. We'll shortly be revealing a food that contains a compound which has been shown to boost metabolism and increase fat burning. But first, let's look at Greek yogurt. This nutrient-dense food can play a significant role in weight management, primarily due to its high protein content. The protein in Greek yogurt interacts with key hormones such as insulin and leptin. People can develop leptin resistance where their brain doesn't receive these signals effectively, leading to overeating and weight gain. But here's the important part. The protein in Greek yogurt can help improve leptin sensitivity by promoting feelings of fullness. This satiety effect can reduce the amount of food consumed throughout the day, helping to restore normal leptin signaling. The protein in Greek yogurt also improves insulin sensitivity by slowing down digestion and reducing the rate at which glucose enters the bloodstream. This steady release of glucose helps maintain stable blood sugar levels and prevents insulin spikes, promoting better insulin function. And get this, a recent study from Canada showed that adults showing early signs of insulin resistance who consumed a high-protein diet had 140% greater improvement in their insulin resistance scores compared to those on a standard American diet. They also saw an increase in their fat-free mass while losing weight. Now, for a food that is a secret weapon for weight loss, almonds. These nuts are packed with an abundance of healthy fats and fiber and are a nutritional powerhouse that can effectively regulate ghrelin levels. Ghrelin is often referred to as the hunger hormone. It is produced in the stomach and sends signals to the brain indicating when it's time to eat. A rise in ghrelin levels triggers feelings of hunger, while a decrease promotes satisfaction. The beneficial fats found in almonds consists mainly of monounsaturated fats and polyunsaturated fats. Research has demonstrated that these fats can slow down the release of ghrelin. Consuming almonds allows these healthy fats to take their time during digestion compared to carbohydrates or proteins. This extended digestion process aids in maintaining a feeling of fullness for an extended period, subsequently reducing ghrelin production and suppressing appetite. Here's a fascinating piece of information. Research has shown that when about 22 almonds, equivalent to 170 calories, are consumed, only 129 of those calories are utilized by their body. This is called the thermogenic effect. In other words, your body burns calories digesting the foods. Let us know in the comments if you know of any other foods that have a similar effect as almonds. Next, we have green tea, a beverage enjoyed by many, which is packed with catechins, a type of antioxidant that can help improve insulin sensitivity. Here's what's important for you to know. The catechins found in green tea can enhance the action of insulin by improving its binding capacity to its receptors on cell surfaces. This means that glucose uptake by cells becomes more efficient, reducing the amount of glucose circulating in your bloodstream, a process known as increased insulin sensitivity. Why does this matter? Well, when it comes to weight management, insulin sensitivity is crucial. If your body's cells are resistant to insulin, a condition known as insulin resistance, they struggle to take up glucose efficiently. This leads your pancreas to produce more insulin in an attempt to overcome this resistance. Unfortunately, high levels of circulating insulin can lead to increased fat storage and weight gain. But there's more. Green tea also contains another compound called epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG. This has been shown to boost metabolism and increase fat burning by inhibiting an enzyme that breaks down norepinephrine, a hormone that signals fat cells to break down fat. A recent study led by scientists Li, Gaoyan, and Zhang revealed some interesting findings. They fed rats a diet mimicking high-fat, high-sugar foods commonly consumed today and observed how these diets affected various hormonal and metabolic pathways related to obesity and weight management. The researchers found that certain compounds like green tea extracts had a profound effect on reducing body weight through the regulation of multiple genes in fat tissue. So, a simple change like replacing one of your daily cups of coffee with green tea could be beneficial. Not only will you benefit from the catechins and EGCG found in green tea, but you'll also reduce your intake of caffeine, which can contribute to hormonal imbalances if consumed excessively. That about wraps it up. If you're struggling to reach your ideal body weight, it might be your hormones. So make sure you click the link below this video to take our hormonal balance quiz and get a personalized hormonal report tailored to your hormone type. Also, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and leave a comment below.